Hello everyone. Today we're gonna teach you how to measure a building or construction with just using a meter stick and a protractor.
First, measure using the meter stick to make sure how far is the observer standing from. So as you can see, that is a 4-meter distance. Second, measure the height of the observer. That is a 141 centimeter height. And now, use the protractor. Measure using the tip of the protractor, sighted through the top of the building. And so as you can see, that is an angle of elevation at 60 degree. And now, time to solve the problem. The observer is termed as reference angle. And try to look at its opposites, which is x. And the adjacent, which is 4 meter. We must never forget the 90 degree of the right angle. Try to look for the other angle with just using your mind. There are 180 degree total of a one triangle. So obviously, it's a 30 degree. To make sure the angle is correct, just put the right angle measure, which is 90 degree, minus 30 degree, which you put from the very first, and it's equals 60 degree. Yeah, so you're right. You got the perfect measure of your angle of elevation. Use the SOHCAHTOA to find the formula you will use. So it's the opposite and adjacent. So it's tangent. Then, use the formula of a tangent, which is tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent. Then it will be tangent theta equals the opposite, which is x, and the adjacent, which is 4. The tangent theta will be tangent 60 degree. So it will be x equals 4 tangent 20 degree. To get the answer, let's use a calculator, which is type the 4 tangent 20, and that is equals 1.45. Write down the answer, that is 1.45, and don't forget the meter. And that doesn't end there. We must add the 141 centimeter, we must convert it to a meter. So it will be 1.41 meter. Add the 1.41 meter of a height to the 1.45 meter of the answer of a tangent. Then that would be 2.86 meter. And that is the final answer. And that ends of our video. Thanks for watching.